The twin Japanese teaser puzzle. We have 2 posts, 2 wooden rings on each side, 2 attached strings, and 1 wooden ring here. The goal is to separate the wooden ring from the 2 strings. It's very easy to do. First we need to organize this string. You take the string attached to the bottom ring and you pull. You try to make a kind of shape, like that. When it's done, you pull this string, you pass this string above the post. You're going to place the string between the 2 rings. It's very easy, like that. When you have these positions, you're going to pass this string inside of this wooden ring and after around the post. To do it, just make a little loop like that. You pass the string above the post. Now you pull the string and you can free the ring. To put back, very easy. Little loop, pass inside the ring. And now you put this string inside of the loop by the bottom, like that. Go inside, you pull, you pass above the pole, you pull the string, and you are at some things like that. You have some things like that. When you have that, very easy, take the string, pass above the pole, and the puzzle is solved both ways.